start here.
I'll cook rest of it.
Wait, did you just record it? What's up guys? Today you will see us father and son cook a dish that contains crabs. And I love crabs, you know that. We're using NANDU crab, I believe.
Yeah.
It's very awkward name. So that you can show the piece of the crab, I guess.
This is the crab.
Whoa, amazing, right? So we are going to use this. So we are going to use this to cook our dish. So let's start with the ingredients.
Okay, no problem. Let's start with the ingredients. Fresh crabs, vegetable oil, small onion, fenugreek and cloves, mace, dry ginger and coriander seed, cumin seed, fennel seed, lime, turmeric powder, mustard seed, dry red chilli, fresh garlic, and finally salt. Yes, the first step, except crab and lemon. Take all the ingredients, nicely sautéed till light brown color. Then shift into the grinder to make a fine paste for marinating the crab. Yes, first step, heat the frying pan, add some oil, then need to add some jeera powder or cumin seed, fennel seed, mustard seed, red chilli whole, and mace, dry ginger and coriander seed, and fenugreek and cloves. Mix it very well for at least 1 minute. It's almost light brown color now. Now I am going to add chopped garlic, small onions, also turmeric powder, finally need salt. Again mix it very well, at least 3 to 4 minutes till brown color. The masalas are perfectly roasted now. I need to rest another 2 more minutes, then I'm going to make a fine paste. The masala is ready now, so I'm going to add half lemon juice. Then mix it very well. I already cleaned the crab, so now I'm going to show you how to marinate the crab. Then gently marinate the crab and rest it around 1 hour. Yeah, now we're going to fry the crab. First heat the frying pan, then add oil.
Now Dad, what's next?
Next, the final stage of frying the crab.
Okay.
Very simple. Right. Now, always fry the crab exactly like this, okay?
This is going to be fun.
2 and another one.
Now, when you're frying the crab, make sure that the shell of the crab is at the bottom of the frying pan and the masala is on the top. And that's the way you're supposed to fry it. And here's an example of how you should do it.
Now I'm going to turn the crab into other side. Wow, nicely cooked.
the crab is now ready. My dad will show you the crab.
Yep.
Nice. Oh, that looks really fried, Dad.
Yes. But make sure don't overcook the crab.
Yeah, that's what we say every time, you know. You could say it's crab time or tasting time. Dad, just hand us over the crab.
Full?
Yeah, finally another big piece. So
Very poor crab, yes? Nice.
the crab is now in our hands.
Nice,
Oh, that's
nice
nice.
golden color, very nicely cooked.
Then you could say it's tasting time, yeah?
Yeah. I will taste it a bit.
No, I use the traditional method as the hand. So that's really hot. Oh, nice.
Really,
It
very
is real good.
nice, yeah? This is like authentic chetnut spices. Okay, if
Exactly.
you want, you can adjust the spiciness. Actually, I put around 3-4 chilies only. If you want more spice, you can add more and more chilies. Alright?
Now this is basically, you could characterize this as seafood, you know. And many seafood lovers out there, make sure to make this at your home. You will like it. Right, Dad?
Yes,
Because we are
really.
actually seafood lovers, if you did not know that. So, make sure to make this at your home. And then, I didn't tell you my comment actually, guys. I don't know how to express my feelings really. Is this really good?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. And so can you. You can give a comment in the comment section below, which is down all the way there. Not the center of the earth, just a below down the video. And then make sure to like this video. Share this video to all your friends and your family members and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next coming video. Bye bye. Break this apart here.
I'll cook rest of it.
Wait. Did you just record it?